I'm really pleased that all of you could join us today and to officially open this great building, this great space.
I kind of started my journey in the United States at Lehigh. This was my first stop on my path to success. And so it means a lot to me to pay it forward.
I feel incredibly lucky and honored to give back to a place that has given me so much.
When I first started at Lehigh in 1990 was the year that the Roush Business Center was dedicated. And I remember very vividly the feeling of starting my Lehigh career in Roush in this new place, a big commitment from the school, and having a very good perception and feeling of that. So the ability to do the same here with the school is an honor.
I'm a firm believer in lifelong learning, and I think the partnership that I built with Georgette to establish the Vistex Institute was really the spur for where we are today.
We've gotten to know each other pretty strongly as a group over the last few years and have been, focused on finding ways to give back.
It wasn't really about putting our name on the door. It was about trying to give back to Lehigh through mentorship and help young alumni and help students advance in their career.
Technology is part of what you do every day. It's not just what you use, it's the information it brings you. And here in this building, the students will experience that in this lab. They'll learn in a way they would if they were out in the business world already.
When you create that kind of really interesting dynamic and environment for people to collaborate and innovate, it just really fuels great ideas and it creates the culture of the university and or work environment.
There's going to be a ton of innovation, a ton of great businesses coming out of this building. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the students are doing outside of kind of the general track of graduating, going to big business. Let's create big business right here at this table.
I'm glad that Lehigh took that lead to build a space for students and faculties and staff to really break the boundaries, like they say, push the borders and really think about how we can build a great education for students and also bring back alumni like us to experience this and also encourage us to give back more.
Yeah.
So we can continue, to build the next generation of students.